How to install Fortnite in iOS. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to install Fortnite on iOS. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for epic.download. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Install button on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Install on iOS button. Before moving forward, make sure that Epic Game Store on iPhone is available only for European Union customers. So, you will then receive the Cannot Install app pop-up. So to firstly fix this, tap on the OK button and further launch the settings application on your device. You will then see the banner that says Allow Marketplace from Epic Games. Tap on that and further choose the Allow option and then go back to your browser. Once you have opened your browser, tap on the Install button. You will get another iOS pop-up asking if you want to install the Epic Game Store. Tap on the Install App Marketplace button, and once that is done, the Epic Game Store will be downloaded on your iPhone. You will now be able to see it on your home screen. Go ahead and launch the Epic Games application and select the game that you want to install. I will search for Fortnite here. Tap on the Install button similar to how you download apps from your App Store, and with this, the app will be installed. So, this is how you can install Fortnite on iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.